Now we discuss IELTS Speaking High Score Answer English with Afshan. अगर आप परेशान हैं फॉर स्पीकिंग कि कैसे क्वेश्चन के आंसर क्रिएट करें तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Afshan and today we are going to cover IELTS Speaking, all three parts with sample answers. If you are preparing for IELTS and want to score better 7, 8 or even 9, then this video is perfect for you. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll also share some powerful tips to improve your speaking scores. Let's get started. Part 1, Introduction and Interview. In Part 1, duration of exam 4 to 5 minutes. Goal: show fluency plus confidence. During speaking, show fluency and confidence level. Tips: answer in 2-3 sentences, not one word. Use fed vocabulary, not repetitive words. Keep smile, natural tone, and confidence. Show your confidence level. Common question and high score answers. Topic: hometown. Where are you from? High score answers: I'm from Karachi, which is the largest city in Pakistan. I love it because it's very lively, with lots of culture, activities, and food options. The people are friendly and it has a vibrant atmosphere. This city is very good. Tips in Urdu. Short और confident जवाब दो. Extra डिटेल से फ्लुएंसी दिखाओ. Work or study. Question: what do you do? I am currently preparing for IELTS and focusing on improving my English skills. I spend time practicing, writing, speaking, and listening every day. It's challenging, but very rewarding. So hard working is very important part for our speaking. Always show enthusiasm and learning mindset. Topic: hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading books, especially on self-improvement and English learning. I also like cooking because it helps me relax after a busy day. These activities keep me motivated and creative. Vocabulary: boost, enjoy, relax, creative, and motivated. Part 2, cue card. Long term, 3-4 minutes duration during exams. Goal: speak 1-2 minutes fluently. Given structure. First of all, introduce your topic. Another, details. After that, give reasons and examples. And last one is conclusion. Because this part of speaking is long, you are speak 1 or 2 minutes fluently. Don't pause, don't break. So try to speak confidently. Tips: always include personal experience and examples. Example cue card. Describe a memorable trip. Answer: I want to talk about a trip I took to Mary last year. It was during the winter season, so that entire town was covered in snow. I went with my family and we stayed in a cozy little hotel near Mall Road. I enjoyed walking in the snow and taking photographs. This trip was memorable because it was the first time I saw so much snow and it brought my family closer together. Overall, it was an unforgettable experience for my Mary trip. Vocabulary boost: memorable, cozy, unforgettable, enjoyable, and experience. Another cue card. Describe your favorite book. Answer. My favorite book is Atomic Habits by James Clear. It teaches how small daily habits can create major change in life. I like this book because it's practical and easy to understand. I applied some techniques in my own life and saw noticeable improvement in my daily routine. I would recommend it to anyone trying to improve themselves. Tips. Always connect book topic to your life for higher score. Part 3. Discussion 4 to 5 minutes. Goal. Show critical thinking, opinion, reasons, and examples. During speaking, try to create opinion, reason, and examples. Structure opinion. After that, reason and examples. And last one is optional contrast. Depend to your time. Topic. Education. Do you think traditional classrooms are better than online learning? I believe both have advantages, but traditional classrooms are slightly more effective for social interaction and immediate feedback. For example, in a physical classroom, students can ask questions directly and participate in discussions. However, online learning is convenient and allows access to many resources. In my opinion, a combination of both would be ideal. Advantage, effective, convenient, combination ideal. Why do people like to travel? People travel for many reasons, including relaxation, adventure, and learning about new cultures. For instance, when I visit a new city, I enjoy trying local food and understanding local traditions. Traveling broadens one's perspective and creates lasting memories, which is why it's so popular worldwide. Tips. Always justify your answers with examples. Extra high score strategies create fluency and accuracy to start. Don't pause too much. Minor grammar mistakes are okay. Use linking words. Moreover, in addition, however, consecutively on the word. Number 3. Paraphrase questions. Examiner loves if you repeat the question in your own words. 4. Personal examples. Always add a short personal examples for band 8 indicator. Avoid short yes, no answers. Always extend to 3 sentences. Bonus band 8 plus vocabulary band for speaking. For essential, crucial, significant, beneficial, effective, widespread. For emotions, fascinating, unforgettable, relaxing, motivating, rewarding. For opinions, I believe. In my opinion, I am convinced that it seems to me. Tip by Afshan. In part 3, give detailed answers. Explain your opinion. Provide examples. Compare ideas. This shows your ability to think critically in English. Band 8 plus speaking tips by Afshan. Avoid one word answer. Use advanced vocabulary naturally. Improve pronunciation. Don't memorize. Understand the topic. Practice speaking daily. That's all for today's video on IELTS speaking. All task questions with answers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your IELTS preparation.